Hello everybody, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have the Okuma Crown 762S SB. This machine comes with an 8-inch Kitagawa chuck, tailstock, chip conveyor. It's got an OSP-U10L control. If you have any more questions about the machine at all, I'll list more specs in the description below. Let's take a look. Well, there you all have it, the Okuma Crown 762S SB. If you have any more questions at all, go ahead and call us at 909-919-9600 or jump onto our website. It's www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.